FBD Insurance Ireland Renters App. The pros, the cons. The FBD Insurance Ireland Renters App is designed to simplify managing your renter's coverage. Many think it's just a digital policy viewer, but it actually allows you to view your policy, submit claims, pay premiums, and track reimbursements directly from your smartphone. On the pros side, the app provides instant access to your policy details, including coverage limits, deductibles, and optional add-ons. Claims submission is guided and user-friendly, letting you upload photos or documents for faster processing. Premium payments are simple to manage, with billing history and reminders clearly displayed. Push notifications keep you informed about claim progress and policy updates. The app also includes facts and tips to help renters protect their belongings. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report delays when accessing older claims or detailed policy documents. Advanced tools such as coverage calculators or multi-policy comparisons are not included, which may limit renters looking to optimize coverage. In conclusion, the FBD Insurance Ireland Renters App is a reliable and convenient solution for managing renters' insurance. While it may lack advanced planning features, it performs very well in claims handling, premium management, and policy monitoring. For Irish renters seeking simplicity and peace of mind, this app is a solid choice.